hasn't been all beaches and barbecues. We started the summer in June with a very successful Hike the Hill. We had nearly 20 participants from credit unions across the state. We met with each member of our congressional delegation. We talked about the regulatory burden that credit unions are facing today, the need for some relief in the area of business lending, and the recently enacted overtime rule. All topics that credit unions have brought to our attention during the course of the year on areas that they'd like to see improvement. We recently completed the survey that we do every 2 years for candidates seeking the state legislature. We've got great feedback from those candidates. Most of them are great friends of credit unions that have good relationships with their credit unions today. It's very important that credit unions reach out and introduce themselves. If they don't have relationships, invite them into the credit union to meet with their staff. All those things are important in building strong relationships. So we're in the process now of sending out the letters, announcing our endorsements, and helping all the friends of credit unions get elected. We have an action-packed legislative forum scheduled for October 5th in Freeport at the Harris-Eakin Inn. Charlie Cook will be our primary speaker at that, as well as two well-known Maine political strategists and a panel of Maine political reporters. And of course, we'll be providing our own local updates as well. This summer has also been a very busy period for education events as well. Credit unions participated in many webinars, including a very successful regulatory compliance session. The county credit unions participated in the Senior Safe training session to prevent elder abuse. And we've been working with credit unions on how to identify skimming devices placed on ATM machines. This has led to a statewide radio and a statewide TV interviews with Rebecca Higgins so that she could share security tips with consumers across Maine. Our statewide awareness campaign came back on the air for a period leading up to early fall. Maine's credit unions received some great exposure during the Summer Olympics. Our statewide shared branch radio campaign just completed an aggressive by the end of August. And our shared branching online campaign was recognized with a gold award at the New England Direct Marketing Awards. Credit unions also received good exposure over the last couple of months with our Ending Hunger Share the Bread events in Portland and Bangor, where we distributed $20,000 to food pantries across Maine. The world of financial services is changing rapidly, and that's one of the reasons why we have our annual roundtable, which will be held in September at the Sept16 Resort. We're going to bring speakers in that are going to be talking about the future, the branch of the future, how payments are going to impact credit unions significantly going forward. So it's a great forum for people to get together and to look to the future and make sure that we're being positioned as strongly as we can. And I think that we've got all the tools to have credit unions to be very successful for years to come.